Everybody loves easy money, isn't it? And if I tell you that you can earn money just by watching videos, will you believe me? I'm not joking. In today's video, we are going to tell you how you can earn $10 per day and even more just by watching videos. So let's start. Today we're going to introduce you to Swagbucks, an easy money-earning website which you literally pay you just for watching videos. Swagbucks is the definition of easy money. It doesn't promise to make you rich, but with very little effort, you can earn points on anything from watching videos to completing surveys. And believe us, it is not any fake or phishing site. Swagbucks has paid members over 529 million euros. They are rated excellent on Trustpilot with more than 33,000 reviewers. Swagbucks actually offers you points, which is called SB. And you can convert this SB into real money and gift cards. SB is equivalent to $1 in cash or gift cards. You can earn Swagbucks points by watching YouTube videos and redeem them for cash, gift cards, or other rewards. How it works. Now we're going to tell you how you can start earning easy free money from now. Before that, you'll need only a smartphone and internet connection. First of all, you have to sign up for Swagbucks. You can easily sign up just by using your Gmail or Facebook account, and it's totally safe. Input your password and your Swagbucks account is ready. Immediately after creating your account, Swagbucks will guide you through its top offers. Not only that, for signing up, you'll get $5. After claiming your $5 to sign up, you'll automatically be taken to their Watch section, which lists hundreds of videos available for viewing, all of which will earn you Swagbucks. Take a couple of minutes to browse through the video section to get a feel for what they offer. For watching videos, you can earn 100 SB, which is $1. For that, download the free Pococha video app and watch 5 minutes of video. Thus, you can earn $1 for every video. That means you can easily earn $10 in less than 1 hour. You can earn up to $50 just by performing some free tasks. You can earn $10,000 SB or $10 just by downloading and signing up Upside app. Also, the easiest way to start earning is to switch your default search engine to Swagbucks. You'll automatically start racking up points just for surfing the web like you normally do, but using their browser instead. Swagbucks also offers points for referring to friends. Try free samples and free trials. Discover new products and services on the Swagbucks offers page. Set Swagbucks homepage. Just like this, there are plenty of ways to earn points from this site which you can convert into real dollars. Important process. Now, to cash out your SB rewards or earned points from Swagbucks, you need to go through these simple steps. Click on your profile image in the top right corner of your desktop screen. Next, click on Redeem Your SB. Select the rewards you want to redeem. The reward options are Most Popular Rewards and gift cards you can afford now. Click on the one that you want to redeem. On the next page, click on Claim a Gift Card. Now, you have to confirm your account information, such as your home or email address, and verify your order by answering a security question received on your registered email. Your SB rewards will be processed electronically. If you choose the Swagbucks PayPal Cash option, you need a PayPal account. For withdrawing SB points for PayPal Cash, you must have a valid and verified Swagbucks PayPal account. Swagbucks doesn't have a minimum Swagbucks withdraw option amount. In Swagbucks, you can redeem 2,200 SB points for any $25 gift card, including an Amazon gift card. Thus, you can cash out $264 per year with this bonus redemption value. There is also a daily Swagbucks minimum withdrawal limit on Swagbucks, such that there is a limit of 2 prize redemptions per day. So what are you waiting for? Go and start earning with Swagbucks now.